Welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing how AI is controlling humans. With the rise of technology, we have seen an increase in the use of artificial intelligence in our daily lives. However, what most people don't realize is how much control AI has over our lives. AI has become so advanced that it is able to predict our behavior and influence our decision making. For example, social media algorithms are designed to show us content that will keep us engaged and coming back for more. This helps us glued to our screens for hours on end, often without even realizing it. Companies use AI to create personalized ads that are tailored specifically to our interests and preferences. This makes it more likely that we will make a purchase without even realizing that we have been influenced by an algorithm. In addition to this, AI is also being used to monitor and control our behavior. Governments and corporations are using AI to track our movements and predict our behavior, often without our knowledge or consent. This has led to concern over privacy and personal freedom. In conclusion, AI is increasingly controlling our lives in ways that we may not even be aware of. It is important that we take a step back and consider the impact that AI is having on our daily lives and how we can ensure that our use of technology does not come at the expense of our personal freedom and autonomy. Thank you for watching, and please share your thoughts in the comments below.